Hello guys, Dave from DOTTAC here with another update. As many of you know, we have adjusted our formula thanks to the feedback of our customers, and I want to show you today what we have created. So this is the new one, and as you can see, it is much thicker than before. So that gives us a couple of advantages. One of them is you can cover the whole dot matrix with one layer. It's also thicker, so I'm gonna show you guys in a few moments how it works. It's gonna stay in the dot matrices. It doesn't run out of it, it stays where you put it. You can now use a wet application. So there is no thin line anymore, it's just one even result. And it gives you an overall a better result. Also, due to the wet application, you have now a window of 3 minutes between the application of the coating and your placing your film on the coating. 3 to 4 minutes depending on humidity, sun, and that kind of stuff. So now I'm gonna show you how it's applied. We are using at this moment just normal brushes because due to the fact it's thicker, we don't use our applicators anymore. The bottles, the docking station, the extensions, they're all good. It's only the applicators that we're gonna change. It's going to be a brush instead of the felt that you guys are used to. So I'm gonna apply the coating now with the brush. And as you can see, I've divided the window in 2 pieces. The upper piece, I'm not going to apply the coating. I'm only going to apply the coating on the sector below. And then I'm gonna let it dry out in the sun, and then I'm gonna show you guys the result. What you get with DOTTAC coating. So I'm gonna apply it right now with a simple brush, and I wish I could show you guys how it stays in between the dots, but the camera won't pick it up due to the transparency of the coating. Now, when we're going to get our new applicators, you won't be needing that much as I'm using right now with the brush, just to show you how it works. So it's sitting there between the dots. I can take my time, no worries. I'll take some slip solution, and we just spray it on the coating, no problem. I'm gonna use the window also as my peel board. I'm gonna take the tint. Like that. And I'm gonna squeegee it all out. Just like that, we're good to go. I'm just gonna trim the tint off a little bit on the edge. I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of hours in the sun, and then I'll come back to you guys with the results. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, so here we are, a couple of days. It has been in the sun, dried out. Don't mind the dust specks in there. It's just for a test. So as you can see, silvering edge on the part that has no DOTTAC. on it. And then here starts DOTTAC. I hope you guys can see it. Perfect. This instead of this. So guys, this is what DOTTAC does. It gives you a really nice finish of the dot matrix. Our next video is going to be one of a BMW E92 coupe with the white dot matrix on top of the windshield on the back glass. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.